Okay, sige, antay na lang natin maski wala ang subject. Ulitin natin na sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, and
Onward, St. Paul courageous, deep within our hearts.
this who we are proud of today and forever. Develop in us God's gifts to face the word of word, knowing our Creator, this is the best of all. Loyal sons and daughters, we will always be. Bring honor and glory to God Almighty. Come and let us join the throne of those who love knowledge, wanted to be movers for development, skills of all with values, these our country needs. So I'm proud to have all this, I own the God alone. Okay, chorus class. Loyal sons and daughters, we will always be. Bring honors and glory to God Almighty. Very soft lang yung class. Sabi ko nga,